Hi, I'm going to be doing my reflection for this week. And so the two main things that I took from this week was number one, cluster problems, and how these are groups of problems taken from a larger problem, but it's easier for students to solve. And so you as a teacher give these equations to students and they can take these easier to solve equations and then finally come up with their overall answer. And it's just a lot easier than taking a large equation that may be very hard to solve and using something they already know to solve. And then the second thing I took from this week are open arrays and how we can use these to teach students by using a blank square and then filling them in and finding easier to solve equations to add the totals all together in order to get the final answer, which is much easier for them than doing a problem like as above, like 45 times 36 is not an easy thing, but we could use an open array to teach them this. Something that I want to use in my classroom that we talked about this week was the work math mat. So, like using this with partners and having them, like one do the standard algorithm and then one working with the base 10 blocks and putting it out that way. And so they're getting practice with both and then they're seeing how to do that. So that's something I'd really like to use in my future classroom. And then from the self-checks, the one I learned more about this week was the one talking about cluster problems. And really at first I didn't understand that. I just thought they were using their own prior knowledge in order to get these answers, but really cluster problems are some equations that you give the students from the larger problem in order to help them solve the problem overall. So this is my weekly reflection. Thank you.